Dear children, good morning. Welcome to online class. This is Somaya Doripalli, School Assistant English in ZPHS Nilayagudam, Mandal Tripuram. Today I am going to deal with degrees of comparison from our textual context. Let's turn to page number 41 in our 7th class textbooks. There we see some sentences, degrees of comparison from textual context. Observe the following sentences carefully, my dear children. First one, but their generals are not so good as ours. Second one, the Indian generals are not so skillful as the Greek generals. Third, it has been a great battle, perhaps the greatest of my life. In the above sentences, in sentence 1 and 2, the Indian generals are compared with Greek generals. For suppose, but their generals are not so good as our generals. This sentence was said by Greek general. And third sentence means that it was the greatest or the best battle of his battles, Alexander's battle. It has been a great battle, perhaps the greatest of my life. When we want to compare one thing with the other, we use degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative forms of adjectives. Actually, these good, skillful, greatest are adjectives. So when we compare one thing with other, we use positive and comparative degree. When there are more than two, when we compare more than two things or two sets of things, we use superlative degree. If we compare two things or two sets of things, we use positive or comparative forms of adjectives. If we compare more than two things or two sets of things, we use the superlative form of adjectives. We can transform positive degree into comparative degree and superlative degree and vice versa. Let us observe the sentence 1 and 2 below. Their generals are not so good as ours. The Indian generals are not so skillful as the Greek generals. So the underlined words in the sentence are adjectives: good, skillful. These are the positive forms of adjectives. The other forms of these adjectives are good, comparative form better, superlative best; skillful, comparative form more skillful, and superlative form most skillful. Sentences 1 and 2 can be changed into comparative forms as shown below. So suppose, our generals are better than their generals. Second example, Greek generals are more skillful than the Indian generals. The Greek generals are more skillful than the Indian generals. Now look at the third sentence. It is the greatest battle of my life. Above sentence can be turned into the comparative and superlative degrees as shown below. But suppose it is greater than any other battle of my life. Comparative form. Positive form. No other battle of my life is so great as this. Now observe the following sentence carefully. Puru is one of the bravest kings in the world. The sentence means that there are a few kings in the world who are as brave as Puru. Puru is not the bravest king. That is the meaning of that sentence. It also means that Puru is not the only bravest king in the world. This sentence can be transformed into comparative and superlative degrees as follows. Puru is braver than many other kings in the world. It is comparative form. Very few kings in the world are as brave as Puru. It is positive form. Let's see some words, some adjectives and their comparative and superlative forms. Positive degree: nice, comparative nicer, superlative nicest. Short, shorter, shortest. Big, bigger, biggest. Great, greater, greatest. Fast, faster, fastest. Worthy, worthier, worthiest. Frightened, more frightened, most frightened. Lawful, more lawful, most lawful. Dear children, I hope you understood very well what are degrees of comparison. So, uh, degrees of comparison, when we compare one thing with other, we use positive degree. So when we compare two things, we use positive and comparative degrees. And when we compare more than two things or two sets of things, we use superlative degree. Now here is an assignment for you. Change the following sentences into other forms of comparison as indicated in the brackets. First one, Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. It is in superlative form, so you have to change that into comparative degree. Second, Alexander was the greatest soldier in the world. It is also in the superlative form. You have to change that into positive degree. Third, India is one of the fastest developing countries in the world. Comparative, you have to change that into comparative degree. No other river in the world is so long as the Nile. Change that into superlative. Hindi is one of the most popular languages in world. In India. You have to change that into positive. Lara is not so great as Tendulkar. Change that into comparative degree. Rekha is one of the most beautiful girls in the class. Change that into positive degree. Shimla is colder than all other hill stations in Himachal Pradesh. Change that into superlative degree. Delhi is one of the most crowded cities of India. You have to change that into positive degree. So I have answered two as an example, as examples. For suppose first one, Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. If we change that into comparative form, some other batsmen are Rahul Dravid is not the Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. So Rahul Dravid is greater than many other cricketers in the world. That is the comparative form. Second one, Alexander was the greatest soldier in the world. So if we change that into positive form, no other soldier is as great as Alexander. No other soldier in the world is as great as Alexander. Third one, India is one of the fastest developing countries in the world. If we change that into comparative, India is faster than many other developing countries in the world. That is the comparative form of this. Fourth one, no other river in the world is so long as the Nile. Superlative form, Nile is the longest river in the world. Fifth one, Hindi is one of the most popular languages in India. Positive form is